Which portable dishwasher is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, AIRMSEN Mini Dishwasher. First up is the AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Priced at $309.99, this one caught my eye because it's a bestseller. If you want a compact solution that can handle a busy family of 3-4, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a built-in 1.2-gallon water tank, so you can set it up anywhere. Plus, with 5 washing programs, it can tackle everything from delicate glassware to baby bottles. It uses 14 washing nozzles and 360 degrees spiral spray technology to ensure every dish gets a thorough clean, even at high temps up to 167 degrees F. Honestly, that's great for stubborn stains. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it doesn't fit larger plates unless angled. Here's the thing though, if you're living in a small apartment or RV, the compact size is a huge plus. It might not be for everyone, but for small spaces, it's a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're in a small living situation and need efficient dish cleaning. Skip this one if you have large dishware or need heavy-duty cleaning for bigger families. It's a great value for the convenience it offers. Product number 2, EUHOMY Portable Dishwasher. Next, we have the EUHOMY 6 Programs Countertop Dishwasher. At $242.99, it's a bit more budget-friendly but still packs a punch. This one's definitely worth a look if you need versatility in a small package. The key feature here is the 5-liter built-in water tank. This means you can use it anywhere without worrying about plumbing. That's perfect for busy nights when you want dishes done fast. Plus, the baby care mode heats water to 167 degrees F for sanitizing, which is important if you have little ones at home. However, there were some complaints about the drying function not being sufficient. Now, some people found that annoying, but here's the thing. If you're okay with towel drying a few items, the quick wash feature makes it worthwhile. This is great for families who want flexibility and speed in cleaning. Skip this if you have really large loads or need heavy-duty cleaning for commercial use. For the price, it's a fantastic buy. Product number 3, another EUHOMY model. Moving on, we have another EUHOMY model priced at $251.99. This one is quite similar but boasts an extra drying function, making it an appealing choice for those wanting clean and dry dishes. Like the previous model, this one also comes with a 5-liter built-in water tank and offers 6 washing programs. The extra drying feature is interesting because it uses hot air and ventilation for 60 minutes post-wash, which helps keep odors at bay. That's a big plus if you want your dishes to stay fresh. But some users reported that the setup took a bit of time. Honestly, while that can be frustrating, once it's set up, it generally works well. This is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable and effective countertop solution. Skip it if you're looking for something with a larger capacity or more robust features. The value for your money is solid here. Product number 4, COMFE Portable Mini Dishwasher. Now let's check out the COMFE Portable Mini Dishwasher, which is priced at $249.99. This one impressed me with its compact design and functionality. This model also features a built-in 1.32-gallon water tank and 6 wash programs, including a hygiene cycle that heats water up to 162 degrees F. It also has an air refresh mode that circulates air to keep your dishes and the machine smelling fresh, which is a nice touch. However, some users mention the need for manual water filling to be a hassle. I get it, that can be a bit of a pain, but if you're in a tight space, the compact nature is a great trade-off. This is a solid choice for anyone with limited space looking for a powerful dishwasher. Skip this if you need a large capacity or don't want to deal with manual filling. It offers genuine value for compact cleaning. Product number 5, COMFE Energy Star Dishwasher. Last up is the COMFE Energy Star Dishwasher, priced at $309.99. This one caught my attention because it offers 8 different washing programs, making it versatile for various needs. This model can accommodate up to 70 pieces of tableware, which is impressive for a portable unit. It features a child-proof lock, making it safe for families with kids. The heavy-duty wash program uses high pressure and heats water to 154 degrees F, efficiently removing stubborn grease. That's a game changer for anyone who regularly cooks. One downside is that setup can be tricky without the right faucet adapter. Some folks found that frustrating. But honestly, if you're willing to put in the extra effort, the performance makes it worthwhile. This is perfect for larger families that need the capacity and versatility. Skip this one if you're in need of a truly portable unit without installation. It's a strong contender for those who prioritize performance. To wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 fantastic portable dishwashers: the AIRMSEN, the EUHOMY dual models, the COMFE Mini, and the COMFE Energy Star. Each one has its strengths, from compact designs to powerful cleaning options, making them perfect for small spaces. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and cleaning needs best.